How to find private caller's number. So, in order to find private caller's number, you would need a third-party application, since this system is not usually inbuilt in mobile devices. So for that, you could simply launch Google Play Store or App Store. Now, as we are here on Google Play Store, let's go to search. You can search for various apps. In my case, I have installed Truecaller. So, you can get such applications for free. Once you install these apps, you would easily be able to find private caller's number. You can simply tap on the option of Install that you see on each and every application. You can easily install such apps for free and find out private caller's number easily. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.